And now we are again in the Appsheet first page. Let's say this one is the first page, okay? So I'm gonna create a new app. Um, and if you see here, when you go to app, you don't need to start with existing data, but it's better. Like they ask you if to start with a template, like I showed you before, or to start with an existing data. Or a blank app. Maybe we start with a blank app. Let's try to start with a blank app category. I want something about, okay, let's go to other and create an app. So I want to create a stock management app, like for example, for a supermarket. So let's say you have a supermarket or a grocery store, and we're gonna try to make like the stock of this store to manage everything. How many quantities of each product you still have, how many product was sold, how many product you need more of it, if some product had already the expiration date, like stuff like that. Okay. So our new app is ready, and let's try to customize with Appsheet. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to start from data, because Appsheet use the data to create the app. So if you have a good data, you have a cool app.